Welcome to this new video about how to make money with financial cost or swap rate. And I'm going to explain how you can make money with a single trade, and you have to trade for a long period of time to maximize your profit. Now, for example, I launched 3 trades some days ago with my primary account is a practice account, and you can see I made a 5,000 units trade of natural gas in short, and now this is the chart. You can see this is the trade that is running now. At this moment I'm losing minus 285.43 euro, and therefore I'm losing for the trades, but I'm going to show you how much I'm gaining with the interest rate or swap rate. And in this case I launch 300 units of short in the Brent oil, and this was 5,000 units and approximately for 10,000 euro of trades, and these are the same. And I launched a West Texas petrol commodities index, and in this case I'm in profit, and for the Brent I'm in profit too. These are short, and now I'm going to explain you why short and not long. For example, I'm going to see this platform is the web-based platform of Oanda broker, and I'm going to see financing costs of Oanda, and you can see that if I short, therefore I sell Brent crude oil, I gain I'm rewarded of 11.8% in interest, even doing nothing and only to take this trade. Of course, this strategy pay for a long period of time, but you have to careful to choose the right trend, because as you saw, I'm losing many money, much money with the natural gas, because I'm wrong in the trend, but they claim or underclaim that we will reward you with the 41.2% of interest if you take the short side of the market. Of course, if you trade a short. And I'm going to see West Texas Oil too, and they reward 5.3% if you take a short position. And for the wet, you can make money. For the soybeans, for example, you lose money in each the sides, in the long or in the short. And for the corn, you get paid to take a short position. For the copper, a bit of interest for the long position. Now I'm going to see how much I get from this position. These are the trades. You can win, you can lose, but I'm going to see the orders, the position, and I placed this position some times ago, and you can see the activity, the financing cost, the daily financing. Every day they give you or take from your account some money about the interest rate of the day. And for example, this day, the 7th of September, I received 16.64 euro of financial cost. In the 6th, the same, no, sorry, is a bit less, and the 5, the same of the 6th, and the 4th of September, when I started my trade, 3.50 euros. Now I'm going to close some trades, and I'm going to close the trades of WTO with Texas in the soil, and I'm going to close, submit, yes, yes, and I'm going to close the Brent because I want to check if the single interest rate of the natural gas. I'm going to close these two, all the trade, and now I'm here only with this and the activity. And of course, I close these trades and I can see my reward, and I can update this info as soon as passing away some days. Now, as you can see, you can take profit of a position even if you don't trade with the interest rate. Of course, not every broker gave you this interest, but you have to check on the swap rate or interest rate of financial interest rate. Now, I hope this video has been interesting for you, and I wish you big peeps. Bye.